Welcome to another one of my food channels on YouTube. My name is Arna Nizhnikov. I am on today's recipe cooking. I'm going to tell you the story of how to make chicken curry with rice. For starters, I did 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of butter, cream of mushroom soup. Usually in general, it's 1 full cup, it's 1 entire cup of sour cream in the recipe, but these 2 are not even all that full. So, I mean, we've got a fuller one, and that's obviously beyond 1 cup in measurement. 1 apple, cored and chopped and peeled, skinned, and 1/4 of onions. Place all this in here along with the onions and of course the curry powder. Then you give it a few minutes to simmer. So before adding the chicken along with the apples and the onions and the curry powder, we have to add the milk and while we saute the apples and the onions with the curry powder and the milk and mushroom soup, we also cook rice. Now, in general, I usually do about 1 cup. And if it's 1 cup, then it's 2 cups of rice, then it's 2 cups of water to boil in the rice. But if it's 2 cups of rice, then we make it 4 cups of water. This is sort of a rice cooker. I mean, you can use this for many other things than just rice, but if you wanted to do rice, you press this button, you press rice. So here are tools that you use to scoop out the rice with. Well, pour the rice in here. 2 cups. 4 cups. So, I added 2 cups of rice. I added 4 cups of water to put into it. I press the rice button, and I let the rice boil. So.